Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we just received a package from Distributors. Look at the size of this package. Now I don't know if you all remember, but I did a short mini video with their Happy Vibes mocktail juices. So apart from the Happy Vibes, they are also distributors of Caribbean Flavors, Tesco, Procan, Fan Juices, the Rajpuri, Curry, and a wide variety of other items. So you can check them out on Facebook and Instagram and you would see a list of all the items that they carry. But let's open this package and see what it is they sent for me. So these are the items that they distribute. So we have Happy Vibes here. Oh, I have never tried the green teas, so I will definitely be trying this. And they are also distributors of Fan Juices. I've had this already. These juices are really nice. And well, you all know my Happy Vibes collection. So apart from that, they also carry Tesco coffee. So this is an espresso, rich and intense. I feel I'll be trying this morning. Egg noodles, we got some healthy stuff. Cream crackers. More cream crackers and egg noodles. I have never tried this before, but I always wanted to, so thank you so much. And we got some macaroni, and finally we have some of Tesco's finest English breakfast tea and my favorite green tea. Guys, you can find these products on every single grocery shelves, big and small. I have seen these on grocery shelves before, so feel free to check them out, give them a like and a follow on Facebook and Instagram. And let us try, where my tea went. I'm going to try this. This smells really, really nice. This smelling so good, and it is still in the pack. I just love the scent of coffee. I think I love the scent of coffee more than I actually love drinking coffee. It reminds me of a nice cozy cafe. So let's try out this baby, right? I have a coffee fanatic in the background.
Boom.
Whoops. And he's excited. Guys, cheers! I am out of coconut milk, almond milk. You all know I'm dairy free, so I'm going to try it black. This is how we get the pure taste, right? So it's really nice. Yeah, you're going to love this. I don't usually have black coffee, but this is really, really nice. So thank you so much, Distributors. Thank you so very much for this lovely package. I am going to enjoy every single one of these items here. Guys, don't forget to check them out on Facebook and Instagram. For those of you who have like shops and mini marts and stuff like that, check them out. They are distributors for all these lovely products. So guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you all enjoyed, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Stay safe and I will see you guys next time. Bye.